Miami, how you doing? Turn my click up, turn that click up.
Hey yo, 1, 2, 3. Get up, we got victory.
Down
no
just a little bit.
They throw at me. You know it
down
won't
just a little bit, Grover.
Now,
hey.
Just got paid off.
I'm doing good.
I'll say you paid off.
I'm doing good.
Should be upgrade, but
I'm feeling good.
all the time you say
God is good. People come down, down, down. Don't forget who's in control. Walls are falling down, down, down.
Give me a mix.
I think that when you are a pleaser, you're so caught up in the moment of trying to make sure that the people watching are enjoying that ride too. That if it's just you, that sometimes artists can get consumed in their own art and nobody can speak that, because sometimes artists can have an elitist type of spirit about them and they don't even realize it. You could be a very elitist, like y'all are not on this. I think there's a balance of trying to make sure that you are communicating in a way that the people are going, yeah, that's right, and we get it too, and we agree. Because I think that's the greatest compliment to art, where people can go, me too.
Hey, in the balcony, you want some more? Hit! Hey, on this side, do you want some more? Hit! It feels good, y'all. You don't want no more. Harry! When the camera looks at me, what do you see? When the camera looks at you, that's looking at me, that's looking at the both of us, because me and you are 2 + 1 is 3.
Wow.
Which makes no sense.